In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Apple Watch battery level in a couple different places, and then how to see the battery health, like maximum capacity that it's running at, and then how to optimize the charging. The first and the easiest way to find your current battery life is to swipe up on the home face. By default, you'll have a quick widget showing you the current battery level. You can then tap it, and inside you can toggle on low power mode if you want. Low power mode is just like the iPhone, and it turns off non-essential background processes, which will help save a little bit of your battery life until the next time you get to charge it. The next place to find your battery level and health is in Settings. Press the crown on the right of your watch and then scroll down and choose Settings. Inside of Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the first section and then tap Battery. Now you'll see your battery level and a detailed chart showing the level throughout the day. At the bottom of this page, you also have low power mode again, but above that, you'll see battery health. This number shows you how much charge your battery can hold compared to when it was brand new. All rechargeable batteries have a lifespan, so over time this percentage does drop. The Apple Watch has built-in systems though that help keep this number from dropping too fast, and as it does, it helps make it so you shouldn't notice it as bad as it ages. And last, at the bottom you can turn on optimized battery charging. Turning this on will help your watch battery last longer, as it stops the watch from charging past 80% whenever it thinks you don't need it. By default, it should be turned on, so I just leave it like that. And that's how you find your Apple Watch battery level, health, and a couple of power options.